Hello everyone, my name is Brian, I am 12 years old, and I've made this game called Tappy Plane, where you have to press space and avoid pipes. So, let's get into it, shall we? So, as you can see here, we need to click space to play. So I'm just going to do that. So, our plane is going to fall if we don't press space. And then, it's game over. By pressing space, we'll go back to the main menu. And our high school is going to update it. Right, let's play again. See if I can get a better score. Oh, 3? Well, the algorithm now recognises that, and it's updated the high school. Right then, the main scenes of the game. So, this is the game scene, where all the gameplay stuff is. Then we have the plane, which we're actually controlling. When we press space, it goes up. And there's an animation for that as well. And then we've got the pipe here. As you can see, it's got 2 collision checks. And then the main menu with this prompt here. It's called space label. Right. I'll explain the code very briefly. This is the bit where we press space to fly. Look. So this code is to make the plane actually jump. And then this is gravity application. If I try to open this. Yes, this is the top arm where each pipe spawns. And here's the code where we add new pipes. I think it is a very good game, and I've spent a lot of time on it, so I hope you like it.